Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Kara Aliyu from Recipe Box NG. Ramadan Kareem to everyone. How is the fasting going? I hope the fasting has not started reaching some people. Alhamdulillah, today is the first day of Ramadan. The fatan an sha ruwa lafiya. May Allah accept our ibadah and make it easy for us in this life and the hereafter. Amin ya Allah. So today we're going to make my own way of making potato casserole. In my pan, I've added 2 chicken thighs, and then I'm going to go ahead and season it with some garlic, some ginger powder, thyme, curry powder, some nutmeg, add onions, salt, and 1 seasoning cube. Add water and let it cook until the meat is really soft and tender. I want the meat to be really soft. So I have my potatoes. I'm going to peel them, wash, and then I'm going to cut them into large cubes. I have 5 medium-sized potatoes. That is enough. In this recipe, we're going to use carrot, potatoes, and plantain. So the amount of carrot, potatoes, and plantain should be the same. So whatever amount of potatoes you're going to use, make sure you use the same amount of carrot and also plantain. For my carrot also, I'm going to peel them, wash, and I'm going to cut them into large pieces, not the small diced carrots that we use, but then really large pieces, almost as large as the potatoes I cut. I'm going to wash that also and set that aside while our meat is still cooking. So this is my plantain. I decided to add plantain in this recipe because I went to the market and my sister asked me to buy plantain for her. So when I saw the plantain, I thought, oh, maybe I could add them in my recipe. So I decided to buy some also, and I'm going to use them here. I am glad I actually did because they were really good in this recipe. So this is how we're going to cut our plantain. Just like you fry them, cut them diagonally, but we're going to cut them into large pieces, just like the carrots and the potatoes. Okay, so this is what we have. So my meat is cooked now. I received this comment from Nana Aisha Murtala asking me what I did with the bones from the last recipe. Yes, that's the chicken skewers recipe. If you have not seen that, it's going to pop on the screen right now. Just go and watch that. Well, this is what I did with the bones from the last recipe. I did not trash out any bones. I put them together with this chicken thighs and I cooked them. So my potatoes are going to cook in the meat stock. That's why we added a lot of water. And I'm going to remove the bones from this meat and I'll put them, they are really cooked, like it's so tender, even the bones. So I found time and I relaxed and I chewed my bones. Oh, too bad I don't have the aftermath of all the chewing I did, but I ate my bones. Okay, so when your potatoes are halfway done, we add the carrots. Now, this is because I don't want my carrots to be too cooked. But if you want your carrot to be too cooked, you add them in the stock together with the potatoes. So now you check for the potatoes. If they are done, they are cooked, that's when you take it out. Don't worry about the carrots because we don't want them really cooked anyways. But if you're like my mom who likes really cooked carrots, just put them together with the potatoes in the first place. Because when I gave her this one, she was like, why did you give me raw carrots to eat? You fry your plantain until it is golden brown. Next, we're going to dice some onion. Oh, I hate it when onion gets into your eyes. It hurts so bad. So I'm going to saute some garlic and some onions, and to that I will add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I'm going to add 1 seasoning cube. Then 1 teaspoon of sugar. No salt because we already have salt in the meat and the potatoes, so there is no need for adding salt. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. The water is to help me reheat the meat and the potatoes because, of course, keeping them by the side, it might have gotten cold a little bit. So add your meat, your plantain, and the potatoes, everything together, and mix it. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. That is enough, and then you are done. You are ready to serve. This is it, guys. You are done cooking this. That's it. I am ready to eat now. Oh yeah, Allah mi bani kunin gyada. This will go so well with kunin gyada. Too bad I can't have that on my channel this Ramadan, but I know someone who has couldn't get that on her channel. I'm going to post the link in the description box so you can go watch that, and you can also check out my Ramadan playlist to see all the recipes that you can make during this Ramadan. Please do check it out and tell me if you like them. Put them in your Ramadan timetable. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching. I love you so much. I hope you enjoy this recipe. See you in my next video. Take care.